Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block OPay card from any device. Okay, now the first thing you can do is to dial the OPay USSD blocking code. Now, from any mobile phone, whether linked to your OPay account or not, just go ahead and dial this USSD code. *955 *123#. I'm going to say that again. *955 *132#. Then follow the on-screen prompt. Enter your registered email phone number linked to your OPay account. It's usually your phone number without the leading 0. And enter your OPay PIN to confirm your identity. Then confirm your request to block the account. Once you confirm the request to block your account, this will immediately freeze your account, preventing any transactions or unauthorized access. The next thing is to await confirmation. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully blocked. Now, if for any reason the USSD method is not working, you can just simply contact OPay customer support for help. Call 0700 8888 328 or 01 8888 328. Likewise, you can WhatsApp +234 9165 998936 +234 9165 998936. You can also email customer service at opay-inc.com, customer service at opay-inc.com. Provide your account details and explain that you want to block your account immediately. Blocking your account prevents any withdrawals, transfers, and payments until you block it. Only unblock your accounts once you are sure your account is secure. If you suspect fraud, also consider changing your password and PIN once your account is unblocked. And that's it. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.